Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need location enabled and the app updated. This ensures accuracy and privacy controls work. First, go to your phone settings and turn on location services for Snapchat. Once done, update Snapchat from your store and restart it to load permissions. Now open the app, tap your avatar to access your profile, and then tap Snap Map. This brings you to the map interface where you can begin sharing. It's the gateway to live location sharing and control. On Snap Map, tap the settings or gear icon to choose who sees your live location. This matters because it controls visibility. You can pick Ghost Mode for privacy, My Friends to share broadly, or Select Friends to limit viewers. Next, set a duration, either until you manually turn it off or for a specific time, so your location isn't shared forever. Make sure to review which friends are on your list. Adjusting selections prevents accidental sharing with people you don't want to include. After choosing friends and duration, tap Done to confirm. Snapchat will begin broadcasting your live location to those selected. You should see your Bitmoji on the map for people who can view you. This confirms it's working. If it doesn't appear, first check GPS accuracy and location permissions set to while using the app. If problems persist, force close Snap, toggle location off/on, and re-login. This resolves most sync issues. If that still fails, update the OS or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.